Hey, Todd Jones here with Rodeo Realty, and I want to show you my new listing at 5108 Bevis in Sherman Oaks. What it is it's this amazing guest house, and you even get access to this beautiful pool. There's a great outdoor sitting area right here as well. This trailer is a cool little thing that the person in the front building has, and it's a little mobile service. It's super cute. Check this out. We're gonna go in the back. It is completely redone from top to bottom. Very lovely, beautiful place. So, little dining area. You've got a great, oh, it comes furnished, by the way. You've got a place to put your coat and shoes and whatnot. Here is the bathroom with a beautiful shower. And then the cabinetry is nice. Look, it's the soft close cabinetry. Just always nice. You can get a washer and dryer to go here, stackable washer and dryer. It's set up for that. It does have a split unit, so there's one in here and one in the bedroom. What's really great about this room is if you have the windows open, you can see the pool outside. It's so cool. It's like you're living in a bougie pool house. It's so nice. This is set up as a desk area, and I'm going to turn around and show you. Oh, by the way, this is a 360 video, so you can look up, down, turn around. You can see me if you turn around. It works really well on a smartphone with the what is it, the YouTube app. Got a Lazy Susan in the corner. As you can see, it's outfitted. You got everything you need. A beautiful LG fridge with the freezer drawer on the bottom, and then the bedroom, really nice sized bedroom. Sitting area, lots of furniture. Again, the furniture is included, and check this closet out. Isn't that nice? Really nice size closet as well. So this is the unit. Let me know if you want to come and take a look at it in person. It's adorable and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching.